Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPAQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day for this one. Not necessarily just because the price went down, but from a technical point of view, you can see that this green line here, which I've talked about in past videos, had done a fantastic job of holding that support. I mean, right there, the price bounced from it. And then this morning, the price finally broke down below there, and you can see that really opened up the downwards floodgates. And that is also segues into the first update that needs to be done. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward now, 1570-ish is going to be that key level of resistance to watch, moving forward. Now, I'm going to go ahead and adjust that level down here just because it's a little irrelevant right now given how far it is away from the current price. A more near-term price would now be right there around 1485. So if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then movement back to the upside, 1485 will be that first big test where you kind of ask yourself the question, all right, yeah, the price is bouncing, but is there any sort of genuine power behind it? And that'll help out, meaning if the price goes up there and then just blast right through it, well, hey, at that point, it's a valid thought that it's looking like this thing could be having a genuine bounce. But if the price gets up there and starts, just tiptoe around, well, at that point, things are looking a lot more shaky, from that angle of things. Now, if the price can push up through there, next key level you'd want to watch is that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, currently valued at, we'll call it $15.40. In terms of areas of support, got to squeeze down the chart here so we can take a look at where some next potential areas are. And going into Thursday, next key overarching level of support to keep a close eye on, going to be down there right around $13.85. And then after that level, next area to watch, not too far away, down there around $13.50. But yeah, overall, quite the rough day today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.